If you're one of the many people who is a mobile worker or who simply has to use your car for a million different uses, this month's solutions are for you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you organise your car and mobile office space. If you're a return visitor, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your car is an extension of your home, and many of the same rules apply when it comes to organisation. You want to limit clutter, have a home for each item, and most importantly, you want the space to be functional. But the car is used for so many different tasks. It can be difficult to figure out what should stay and what should go. You need different things when you go to the grocery shopping than you do on your way to the office. But how do you fit everything in at once? The short answer is you don't. And I recommend that my clients think of their car as a multi-use space. And just like any multi-use area in your home or your office, it needs to be kept clean, tidy, and organised to be functional. Think about the different ways you use your car. Do you use it to go to the grocery runs? Do you need to take the kids to and from school, from their sports activities? But the best way to make your car a multi-use space is to create to-go kits containing items that you need in specific situations. Instead of cramming everything you might need into your car at once, just take what you need with you when you go, and have a home for those kits in your garage or easy-to-access closet so you can grab and go. If it's not simple to put things away in your car, you're not likely to do it. Make sure that each item that always needs to be in the car goes in a particular place. Coins, for instance, tend to make their way everywhere in the car. But if you choose a specific compartment in your armrest console, for instance, you never have to decide where to put your spare change again. And fewer decisions means tidying up is easier. Is there forgotten paperwork crammed under your passenger seat? Do you carry paperwork from the office or coffee shop to home and back again? Consider going digital where you can. The easiest way to deal with paperwork is to make sure there's never paperwork in the first place. If you need signatures at work for legal reasons, check out a service like Eversign, which creates legally binding documents that can be sent and signed online. And as I said before, your car is a multi-use extension of your home, and it deserves the same care and attention as any other place in your home or your office. Taking the time to really consider what items you need and what you need them for is worth the effort. When you don't have to dig through loose receipts to find your hand sanitizer or reusable bag, you'll thank yourself. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe and visit our website, organisetoexcel.com.